One thing we believe in our personal lives, and definitely professional lives, that you need to sleep faster. And Eric Thomas, somebody that we love watching his videos on YouTube, he says a lot of people want sleep more than they want success. And I totally believe that. And I think at some point in most of our lives, we're all guilty of that. But you need to break those patterns, right? You need to remove those patterns out of your life of selfishness and go to selflessness. And you need to remove some of that sleep in your life and get to work.
Yeah, Arnold Schwarzenegger has a great video, a great quote. And he talks about the fact that if he gets, if he aims for like a solid 6 hours of sleep, he will get 18 hours of work in that day. And he's got 18 hours of work that day or opportunity to make his dreams come true. And some people would tell him, he's like, I need a minimum of 8 to 10 hours of sleep a night to really be able to function. He goes, you need to learn to sleep faster. And I love that quote because he says, man, sleep is for people that are broke. You know what I mean? I know people that are literally, they sleep in all the time and then they complain that they're not achieving their goals and living their sole purpose. Yeah. We say sleep faster, get up, dial in, map your day out the night before, get a picture of exactly what you're going to do, what you're going to accomplish, start crossing things off, get that rhino mind mentality, and push forward to the mark.